Here's how you can teach your child how to do a headfirst dive in 3 simple steps safely and stress-free. The same exercises will also work for adults. At the end, I share an exercise that will improve your child's skill level even more. Especially if your child is very young, it's a good practice to remind your child how to breathe correctly before every single dive.
Молодец. Нужно сначала умничка, глубокий вдох сделать и мычать, да? А ну, давай еще раз сделаем.
So let's start from the very beginning. So your hands are going to be in streamlined position, your arms. And yeah, so it means that the elbows are going to be straight, hands together, neck, chin is tucked in. Okay, good. The feet are going to be on the wall, and the feet are going to push off as you reach with your hands toward the water. So go ahead, push off. It is very important to ask your child to push off with the feet and to reach with hands all the way down and forward so that the child wouldn't roll into the wall and wouldn't hit the head.
We want to avoid this type of a somersault.
So, Jane, you will push off with your feet and you will reach with your hands for the water and going forward. Let's go. And down. Good job.
So stand up, please. Put your one foot in the front, right here. So the foot should be sliding forward just a little bit. Good. The knee is down. So it is very important for the foot to slide forward because the child should be able to push off the wall here. Because if the foot is staying, if not pushing off the wall, because it is too slippery around the pool because of the water, the child might slide and get hurt. Okay, so Jane, you're going to reach with your hands for the water and forward while you push with the front foot. Are you ready?
Let's go.
Молодец. To stand up, the feet are going to be in the front, right? Давай, ножки сюда. Good. So streamline position. Good. So you're going to be reaching with your hands for the water forward. Jane, it's very important to reach forward, not only down. So if you don't do it, you might hit your head on the wall. So please make sure that you're reaching down for the water and forward. As you're reaching for the water and forward, you have to push with your feet off the wall. Are you ready? Let's go.
Allow your child enough practice for each of these steps so that they would be comfortable before they move on to the next one. I'd like you to notice that even though I'm asking Jane to push off the wall, she is still staying pretty low to the water. The next exercise will help her to get a little bit higher up.
Ребенка перепрыгнуть через руку или через палку. Давай. Перепрыгивай через палочку. Хочешь повыше? Перепрыгивай через палочку. Да, на точку. Здесь все хорошо. Готово? Так, мы прыгаем наверх и еще вперед, пожалуйста, хорошо? Давай, поправь ножку. Молодец.
And here you can see the improvement after the exercise. Here before the exercise, you see how low she was. And now after, look, yes, she jumps right over the water.